Here we will show you how to install your car seat in the forward-facing strategy using your car's seatbelt. The top tether must be added for this installation strategy. Place the Wallenburg on the vehicle seat. Route the tether over the vehicle seat back. Grasp the seatbelt and pull it around the side and to the front of the Wallenburg. Insert the seatbelt from the front through the closest slot toward the back side of the restraint. Round the seatbelt across the back side of the restraint outside the other Wallenburg strapping hole. Bring the buckle back to the front side of the seat through the second slot and attach the seatbelt to the buckle. Pull the seatbelt out until you activate the locking mechanism and hear a click, and then feed the seatbelt back into the retractor. Press your knee into the restraint and remove as much slack as possible until the seat cannot be passively moved. Review your car's manual to determine your vehicle's tether anchor locations. Make sure to only attach the tether hook to an approved child seat tether anchor. If more length is needed on the tether strap, push down on the silver button until the hook can reach that necessary anchor. Make sure that the strapping is not twisted and grab the free end of the tether strap and pull until all slack has been removed.